Hello, I am at Walton-on-the Naze in North Essex, and here we've just gone beyond the last sea defences up to the Naze, and here we have undefended cliffs, and those cliffs are rapidly eroding, maybe half a metre per year being lost, and that in turn exposes fossils. Now what we have here is the London clay, which is about 54 million years old, which is the greyish section of the cliff. And then we have above that the orangey section right near the top. That is the red crag, which is a 2.5 million years old or so. On top of that, just a little section of gravels, probably from the Pleistocene era, and more modern. Now the London clay, which is the majority of these cliffs, was laid down, as I say, about 54 million years ago. And at that time, the land here, the rocks here, were approximately 10 degrees further south, so in an area equivalent of about where Spain is now. And it was an offshore region where there were quite calm seas, which leads to and helps with the deposition of fossils and the preservation of fossils. And that was from a lush tropical environment. So therefore we get vegetation, we get fossils of vegetation, twigs and bird bones, lots of those being pyritized. A couple of examples of those just here. These just here, being twigs. You can see, I'm not sure it's quite focusing, look very much like twigs, but actually are very heavy and very stone-like. Now also what we get in here are shark's teeth from the Striatolamia. I'll try again. Striatolamia sharks, I think that's about right, which are now an extinct type of shark. And I found one shark's tooth from that species, I think, this morning, which is quite small. You can see it there. I'm quite pleased with that. And then from the red crag, just above, we have various other fossils which you find from there, just 2.5 million years old. But those we have these red or orangey kind of hued shells. It's gone down there. And this one being a left-handed whelk, which I am led to believe are relatively rare and confined to certain periods. Now you can find megalodon teeth on this beach and things, but that's pretty unusual as well. Over to the north then, the wave cut platform, and beyond that the harbour up at Felixstowe, and up into Suffolk on the coast up there. Thank you very much.